So this is just a quick list of the technology. So we're going to share a whiteboard here. So we'll start whiteboarding. And you should have my video in this video as well. This is working all right due to the power of Cisco. What I want to talk about is the balustrade. So we have got something like this. This is our balcony, and there's a door here. This is a door. There's a wall. There's a window. That's kind of in my way, but it's kind of working. And then we've got to put the glass on. And there's a parapet wall here. This is the wall. This is the parapet. And this is our deck. So we've got to put the glass on. Now, if you look, the balustrade is made up of two sections, which is one like this. And this has a plate on the end of it. I'm getting quite good at this. And this is kind of in a U channel, so it grips the glass. The balustrade is like that, and the glass goes in here like that. So that's the top, and then this bit has screw holes in it. So the plate looks kind of like this. So it's got big screw holes here. The truth is they're actually not that big. So what I'm thinking is this is stainless steel, so it's in good condition. Now the glass is stuck in the U channel. We're not going to get that out. So the U channel and the glass are written off. They're finished. So what we do is we create a new U channel, get a new U channel fabricated, which is going to be like this. So this is really bad. I tell you, I'm going to go back on that. I think I can do that. Yeah, I can. Look at that. I'm going to be a bit more accurate here. This is our U channel for the base. This is good, isn't it? I bet you wish you had one of these. Desk Pro from Cisco with whiteboarding. So that's the U channel like that. And then on the end of the U channel, we put a plate. So it looks like the plate from above. So chunky plate welded on. And then we have our 4 screw holes in this like that. And so in both scenarios, in each one of these, we have 2 bits of glass like this. And then they go into the U channel on the top rail, and we silicon them in, and the U channel on the bottom rail, and we silicon them in or resin them in. It might be better to silicon them in because then they can come out again. And here's the thing, we don't put bolts along the parapet. So what we actually do is we mastic this edge of the U channel at the base. We mastic it onto the zinc of the parapet, but at the same time we put in massive bolts into the plate, into the wall. So if this here, I'm going to change color here because I think I should. So if this is the zinc on the wall in blue, I actually want you to fix, and I've put it in the spec to fix the RSJ here because there's an exposed RSJ. So we take the blue zinc off both sides. We locate the upright wooden structural member and we identify it. We fix the RSJ, we put the zinc back, and then you build your new bottom U channel. You get your new glass. The glass is 2 sheets of 10mm laminated together, 4 panels. You mastic this on, but you bolt it with heavy M12 bolts with dome washers, M12 here, and then so this is basically fixed in 4 corners, but fixed on the vertical on the wall, going through the zinc that we've put back. So there's no bolts going through the base. And if we fix that with M12 bolts into the structural element, it's going to be rock solid. I mean, literally, you'll never get it out. And if all of these glass panels are masticed into the U channels with something strong, they're never going to come out. It's going to be so big and it just won't ever move. So that's what I recommend we do. It also means if one of these panels gets broken, you can get with mastic, you can get panels out, but you need crowbars and things. But with resin, you can't get them out. So that's the thing. So it means this is new. Can't write the word new now. And the glass is new. This is the glass. And this is going to go on the balcony here in purple. And that's the solution. So it will mean that we don't go through our lovely parapet. Let's just draw the rest of this out. So we've got our parapet there covered in, and this is going to be covered in zinc as usual. Got our window. I think there's nothing there actually. Is there a window there? I can't remember. It's 2 windows, isn't there? So our window will be there on the corner. We're going to have a new window. Our big window here will be changed and it will work. And that, I think, is the answer to that. So it means if we go new, this is new in green. This is new, the U channel. The glass is new. This we can probably use existing, the top rail. But we just need to take the zinc off on both sides. We're taking the zinc off here anyway on this upright because it's bent there, as you'll see in the photos. And you've got to get the zinc off here because the RSJ needs grinding back and painting above. So that's the solution. That's it. I'm going to stop sharing that now. And that should all be recorded. So let's see. Stop recording.